Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to stake on MXC. First, open the MXC app and log in to your account. On the home page, tap Wallets at the bottom right. In the Overview page, select the Earn tab. Here, you'll see all the available cryptocurrencies and their APRs. For example, if you have Bitcoin, it might show an APR of 9.99%. To stake, tap Subscribe, enter the amount you want to stake, check the duration, and confirm. After the staking period, your earnings will appear in your Assets or Wallets tab. You can repeat this process anytime. And that's it. That's how to stake on MXC. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.